Welcome! Today, we're making crispy Nashville Hot Chicken from scratch.
Fresh chicken is the perfect start for a juicy meal. A buttermilk marinade keeps every bite tender.
Season generously for bold flavor.
Coat every piece evenly. Coat every piece evenly. A light flour mixture creates the perfect crunch. More seasoning means more flavor. Press gently to build a crispy pattern. Let the coating settle before frying. Hot oil is the secret to crisp perfection.
Listen to that satisfying sizzle. Fry without overcrowding the pan.
The crust begins to turn beautifully golden.
Flip carefully for even cooking.
Golden, crispy, and irresistible. Let the excess oil drain away. Now for the famous hot butter glaze. Bold spices create Nashville's signature heat. Smooth, rich, and fiery. Brush every piece generously.
Every bite is packed with flavor. Classic Nashville style starts with soft bread. Fresh from the pan. Perfectly cooked from the inside out.
Crispy, juicy, spicy, and unforgettable.
Homemade Nashville hot chicken at its finest.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next delicious recipe.